Hey guys, today I have a quick up close look at this Steadfast. This is a gas and CO2 detector. If you don't have one or multiple of these in your house, you definitely need to. That is very risky to do that. Even as something as simple as a pipe comes disconnected on your furnace, you could be getting CO2 in your house, and it's not long before people pass out and then there's no going back. So very important to have these near the bedrooms at a minimum, and I like to keep one on all floors of the house. This is a very good budget option. It's going to show you the ppm, how many parts per million of CO2 and other gases are in the air, and it's got a really loud alarm if it's not working. So this does work for, I believe, multiple different plugs, so like European plug or whichever one that is, and then you attach this piece right here, and it becomes just a standard US plug where you're going to get that super loud alarm if it goes off. All right, so where would be the best place to install this? I mentioned a few spots, but my furnace is right in this room right here. This hallway leads to the rest of the house. So right here would be a great spot because if there's any sort of CO2 leak, this would be one of the
voice gas and carbon monoxide compound detector.
This would be one of the first places that it would actually alert to. So let's kind of go over the features here and get you guys a good up close look here. So you can see this is going to show you the temperature of your house. It's 69 degrees in mine. It's going to be giving a ppm level in terms of CO gas. And then I believe this is going to be your humidity. So it's kind of nice that it does show temperature and humidity as well. And it's going to show your lights right here. You can also do a self-test to make sure the beep works. So let's hear that. Do a self-test first. That's the noise it's going to make. So it is pretty loud, definitely going to wake you up. It almost sounds like a police siren. So make sure you test it. You can see right now my ppm level is at 0. That will obviously increase if you start to get carbon monoxide around this unit. It's got a vent right there, as well as vents on both sides here. So it's kind of taking in that air from all over. And therefore it's going to alert you as early as possible, because when that happens, you definitely need to get everybody out of the house. Definitely check it out, guys. A necessity to have in your house if you don't already. Hold on real quick. Before you guys buy anything on Amazon again, be sure to check out my new free deal site, moderndeals.net. I built this site to highlight the best real deals on Amazon every single day. Each listing will show the actual deal versus historical prices, so you know you're actually getting real deals. You can also find exclusive limited time discount codes to drop prices even further. You can browse by all deals, today's deals, category, or search specific items. Just a reminder, it's totally free and meant to save you money, so check it out today at moderndeals.net or linked in the pinned comment in bio.